one small banner for the social media promotions. How can we create a banner slide? Okay, come to the new document, friends. Here the banner size will be the 800 by 200 and the resolution will be 72. When we creating any banner for websites for web purpose, then the resolution will be almost 72. Why we using the pixels means the web department, the web stream is completely based on pixels percentage. The resolution will be 72 and color mode will be the RGB and the bitrate will be the 8-bit. This is a new document, friends, and click it OK. And this is a web banner. I would like to take some file, open, go to the desktop and take some images where we have downloaded. Okay, and this is the image document. Just open it like this, and the color combination will be the what the color combination we have in the background. It is a simple white background and easily to select in a quick process using with quick selection tool, and I can select directly like this. I need only the image, not the splashes in the background. Okay, I just taken the image only like this, like this. I just taken only the selection using with quick selection tool for a quick process, and I just make a selection for the photograph and take a move tool, and I can move from one document to another document, or otherwise go to the refine edge using with quick selection tool, refine edge, come to here and make it as a smart radius 2 pixels and click into the new layer. It should be into the new layer, then automatically the new layer will come like this. But the selection, it is not good here. See, automatically it has been not selected. Then come to here and go to the quick selection, Control Alt Z. Okay, come to here and you can select the selection here. Now go to the refine edge and come to here for output and give the smart radius 2 pixels for the edge smoothness, and come to here output, creating a new layer. Take a move tool and you can move it into one document to another document. See, when we got this image from another document, but when you're transforming this object, it will be pixelite. Then it won't be pixelite means what should we do? We have to take a smart object. In the layer palette, we have some button here, convert to smart object. Is a control T, transform controls, hold shift plus alt and drag into one of the corner. Then we can decrease the image. Control plus zoom in the document and control 0 to fit the document. File, open. You can take one more document here. Cup image is there. Select the photograph of image and open the document. Just take a move tool and move it into the directly in this document, our subject document, and transform it like this directly. Now I'm just taking one selection and I can transform the selection like this and select this one and select the layer of the image and delete it. Then automatically the image has been deleted and only it has been the curve shape is came. It looks very cool. Now take a text tool. I can click it here and I can copy the text from the notepad, copy, and I can control V, paste. You can give the text color here, but I have some different fonts that is called Roboto. Yes, and we can decrease the character spacing size also. Then we can go to the character panel and you can give the here 0, then automatically it will be there, and the font family will be the Roboto condensed and the font size will be the 35. You can give directly from here only. Okay, and you can take a move tool. You can give the text from character panel and you can apply in here also directly. You can apply here also, or otherwise you can give in this character panel also. Now you can take one more duplicate, make a copy of the duplicate, Control J duplicate, and here Control C copy, and take here and click it, and Control V paste. Good. Now Control T transform. You can directly transform it, or otherwise text also with a proper uniformity. Otherwise you can take the selection, you can highlight it, and you can give the font size here only, like this, and you can take the image here. Now I'm just taking a click button here, take a rounded rectangle tool, you just draw the document here and give the rounded corners, it's 30 pixels. Okay, and click it, move tool, make a copy of the text tool again using with Control J duplicate, and you can type it here, Paytm Cash, and here the button color is red and the text color is also red. I would like to select the text layer and I would like to change the color white and click it OK. Then just take and come to the rounded rectangle and keep the layer like this upon the rounded rectangle layer. Yes, and here what is the text color of our India? It is a blue color. Then select this one and make it the blue color and apply this color to here. There is two process, like you can select the text here and you can take it here and you can click it directly on here, or otherwise you can pick the color directly here. And again the same thing, take a text tool here, the color is this one, and click it the color and make it as a gray color. Take a move tool and move it. It should be keep it as a center. You can select the both layers, then automatically the alignments has been activated. Come to the align centers and vertical centers like this. Like this we can create a Google Ads banner for the companies. Here the text tool is 19th September. Then the text will be the, come to the character palette, keep it as a superscript and take a move tool. Selecting the two layers, the top of the properties bar has been activated as an alignment bar. Click it, center. This is the banner we are creating for the Google Ads. But what happened friends here, I would like to take a small animation for this one. Click it here. I'm just taking one more color, it's a blue color, and taking this round, make a copy, duplicate copy, and apply this color to here. Alt Shift Backspace to filling the color, and this is one color and this is one color. Now we create a small animation. Let's see. This is the design friends. For this design we are creating some GIF animation. Okay, come to the Windows, we have a timeline option here. Okay, and create a video timeline. Like this the timeline will be there. Okay, and you will be confused like this the timeline. Change into the mode, keep it as a frame mode. Okay, what is the first one? In the first frame, first of all, what should it will come? It will be visible. Okay, nothing will be visible in the first frame. Nothing will be the visible. Just close all the layers, means hide all the layers. Okay, only the background will be there. In the next layer, which one should be visible? The second frame will be the visible for this one, but it is in here. Just keep it here in the end of the part and take one more frame and keep it the layer and just move the layer 2-3 frames and just take one more frame and keep the layer. Again keep it one more frame and keep the layer. Okay, select it and select the all frames. How the seconds will be there, 5 seconds. Keep it into the 1 second, 1 second. Now you can play it, friends. It is too slow. Select all the layers, all the frame layers, click it here and keep it as a 0.5 seconds. You can play it now. It is also a slow. Select all the layers and keep it as a 0.2 seconds. Here it is changing, friends. Now play it here. Now it is good. Okay. In this frame it is visible. Good. And what about the next frame? Next frame should become as a, again I'm just taking one more layer and the next frame will be this one. And this one, the visibility, the opacity, here the position is happened, here the opacity is changing, opacity is completely down. Okay, and the next layer the opacity is taken coming like this 15%. In the next layer the opacity is coming 50 layers 50%, and next layer it is coming 75%, and next layer it is coming 100%. See friends, again I'm just keeping the first frame and clicking play button. Automatically first this one will come and second one that one will come. Okay. See, again I'm just playing animation like this. Okay. It's very cool. Now after that, what should it come? The text of the layer. This is the Indian Premier League is the main important, friends. Okay. Then select the text layer, and this layer it won't be visible like this. I'm just keeping the top of the end of the document and come to the next layer. It should become with the single step like this. Like this. Okay. After that, you can get the layer. See, again you can play it, friends. Okay. And after that, 2 frames it will be visible. After that, it should become as a this one like this. Okay. And how it should come? It should become with opacity here the 0%, and the opacity will become by 49%. Again it will come by one more frame layer 50%. Yes. Good. Then it has been completed. Again take a new layer, new frame. Okay. For 2 layers visible. After that, we can see the rounded buttons. Okay, the rounded buttons will be select the 2 layers at a time and take the next layer and come to this layer. It won't be visible, and come to the next layer. It will be visible. See, you can play it automatically. It will come like this. Okay, and after that we can see you can take one more layer. After that you can see win Paytm cash like this, and it will be visible 2 layers. After that, what happened, friends? It should be blink. It should be blink like this. Like this, it should be blink. Then what happened, friends? Here, I'm just removing one frame, just taking one frame and hiding the red color rounded. And again taken one more frame, just keeping the showing layer. Keeping the again hiding red blue color. Again taking one more frame, keeping blue color. Again taking removing blue color. Like this, I'm just taking the multiple times with multiple frames like this. Now you can play it now, friends. You can play it now. Just see it. first frame, second frame, third frame, fourth frame, fifth frame, and it is blinking. Yes, sir, this is completely very slow. I would like to go with some speed. Just select the last frame and come to the first frame, hold shift and select that all the frames, and here the seconds rate will be there. Click it, keep it as a 0.1 second. Then now we can play it, friends. It's better. Now, sir, I would like to save this document. Okay, select this document. It is called, it's a web banner. And you can save it. Okay, and file save. I would like to save as a JPG. This animation should be export file. I can save as a JPG. But if you take a JPG, the animation will not be accepted. Then how, sir? The animation will not come. JPG is a still image. It is a static image. It's not an animation image. Then how can I get the animation exporting? Okay, already I done the assignment. Then how can I export? Come to the file, save for web and devices. Export, save for web and devices. We have an option. It's a beautiful option, friends. And the shortcut will be the Control Alt Shift S in the keyboard. Control Alt Shift S in the keyboard. It is a beautiful option. And here, come to here and make it as a GIF. Make it as a GIF animation, and you can take a optimized and 2 ups and 4 ups is a quality. See, it's 416 KB, 143 KB, 118 KB. Here, see, you can click it automatically. The colors will be decrease. Okay, just make it the optimized. It will be balanced both everything. Okay, keep it optimized and make it as a GIF animation. And the looping options, how the looping options will come, friends? It is only for once, means it will come only for once. If you keep it forever, means automatically it will be repeating. The looping will be continue. The looping will be continue. Click it here and make it done. Okay, and save as a desktop. It is a web banner images only. You have to keep as a images only and name it is a web banner and save it. Now minimize all the things, right click, open. See, it is looping. Why? Means already I kept there as a looping. Like this, the GIF animation will be continue.